Okay, akala mo mining lang yung Pi. Pero may nangyayari sa likod na mas importante at karamihan hindi pa alam to, no? So, just wanna introduce myself. Hi everyone. My name is Josh, or also known as Cryptoshua. I've been in cryptocurrency since 2017. I have too many losses, but I have massive amounts of wins. So right now, ang daming hindi nakaka-relate, no? Sorry kung magulo. Ikaw na mag-adjust. Ayan. So, ano ba? Tanong ko lang kung relate ka ba sa mga ganitong nangyayari na nakikita mo lang yung Pi na naka-store. Ibig sabihin, nandyan lang, naka-hold ka lang. And iniisip mo na kung may value ba talaga to para sa'yo o baka hype lang, di ba? And I just wanna talk about the real talk. Kasi crypto is not just about holding your coins or your tokens. It's about systems na gumagana sa totoong buhay. And ito yung hindi napapansin ng marami. May sarili ng RPC server ang PyTestNet. Simple lang, mas madali na para sa developers gumawa at mag-test ng application bago pa i-launch. So parang ganito, kung dati manual lahat, ngayon automatic na. Mas mabilis, mas organized. So dito papasok yung smart contracts na tinatawag. And this is the exciting part. Isipin mo, parang digital kasunduan. Di ba? Automatic nangyayari kapag nag-meet yung kondisyon. Sample, nagbayad ka, automatic unlock yung service. Walang middleman, walang follow-up. Parang hindi na scene zone. Di ba? Yung bayad mo. May result agad. Yung iba kasi, nagbayad, ang tagal, di ba? So, there will be result already. So, anong ibig sabihin nito para sa'yo, kainin? And kung hindi ka man masyadong techy, okay lang yan. No? Hindi na lang kasi Pi na nakahold yan. Paunti-unti na nagiging usable in real world as a utility. Sabi ko nga, as a utility, it will be payments, applications, and services. At habang binubuo pa lang, nandito ka na. Kaya ka tinawag na pioneer. Kasi sa crypto, panalo mo ang nakakaintindi. Hindi yung nahuhuli sa hype. Di ba? Puro hype ka lang. Hindi mo iniintindi. Di ba? You're gonna lose your money because of the hype. Sabi nga nila, quick money is quick loss. What I want to do, Pioneer, is learn small and win big. Subscribe to my YouTube channel about the Pi Network, cryptocurrency, and apps. And if you want to earn more in crypto like Pi, comment more. At kung wala ka pang community na hindi ka i-judge, kahit bago ka, comment community. Now it's your choice, Pioneer. Kung action taker ka ba, or just a passerby of them.